Okay, so I want to show you a way to use the app on Notes on your iPhone. So if you find your Notes app, so it looks like that, it says Notes, and we are going to create a new note. So if you see the little icon here down here in the bottom right corner to create a new note, and you're going to click on the camera and you want scan documents. So then you're ready to position this to scan something. I'm just going to use my calculus textbook. So I'm going to get, you'd put this over your homework paper or whatever you have there, and then you're just going to click like you're taking a picture. And if you needed to change it at all, you can drag the corners if it didn't quite get it right. And then you're going to, once you have it right, you're going to select Keep Scan. Now, if you're done, you could click Save. But if you're not done yet, if say you had a second page, then you're ready for the next scan. So I'm just going to move over here and do this other page. So I'm going to take a picture. Now, I didn't want just that region. I wanted this whole page. Well, I'm just pretending. So you can just drag the corner out to get what you want. And once you have it like you want it, keep scan. Now let's say I'm done. So I have 2 pages. It tells me in the bottom right corner, save to. That's telling me I have 2 pages. So okay, I'm done. So I'm going to choose save. So here's my document now, and this is going to be a PDF. You can see it's cleaner. It's a better image than a JPEG would be. Also, when you do this with your homework, it's going to allow me, I have some software that I can then write on your assignment, make corrections, comments, and save that back, send that back to you in a very efficient way. So now we want to share this, because you want to get it off of your phone. Eventually you want to get it onto your Chromebook or onto your Google Drive. So I'm going to use the little share button here next to the done key. So you're going to choose that. And then you're going to select your Google Drive. Now you are going to need to install the Google Drive app on your phone. So you're going to want to have that there so you can choose that. Now I have 2 drives. One's a personal one, one's a school one. So I'm going to put this on my school one. Now, when you save this, and notice that the name of it's not this file text, that's an additional one that's on there that was, connected to this Notes app, but you're going to want the one that has this name, and it named it based on the page that I copied. So it just assigned a name to it. It might not be descriptive of what it is. So what I would recommend you do, if you look down here at the bottom, you see where it says select folder. I want to upload this to a folder in my drive. So I'm going to write select folder, and I want to put it in my drive. And then these are all folders that are in my drive. So what I would recommend you do, because you might be saving a lot of different work, so I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call this scanned work. Create. There's no files in this folder, but that's where I want to save this. So now down here in the bottom right corner, save here. And now I'm going to choose upload. This happens to me sometimes. Upload failed. So when that happens, we're going to try that again. So I'm going to select my account, select a folder, my drive, and now I'm going to scroll down here until I find my folder that I created called Scanned Work, and save here and upload. So it is uploading. And once you do this, then you would be able to go to your Chromebook and go to Google Classroom, and you'd be able to select, or some of you might have Google Classroom on your phone, because you can do that as well. And then you would just like anything else that you uploaded to submit, you would just do that. So I'm assuming you could probably do the rest of this. And if you had any questions, then let me know.